Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Everything Data with Phone. Today we'll be talking about how to add ChatGPT or to link ChatGPT to your Google Sheets. So you are going to be adding ChatGPT to perform prompts for you on your Google Sheets. Let's get into the video. We are in our browser. I'm using Chrome. Then we typed in Google Sheets into our Google search engine. You come here. Okay, so we have a blank spreadsheet. You go to extension in the menu bar. You see add-ons. So this is where you can add anything that you want to link to your Google Sheets. So like ChatGPT, you can get different types of ChatGPT here, developed by different people. So you can also add other add-ons to it. Get add-on. We have GPT for Google Sheets and Docs, made by Talarian. We have Sheet GPT, made by Sheet GPT. This is one I use. Then you also have different add-ons. We have GPT AI Writer, Form Publisher by Talarian. So you have different add-ons created by different people. You can add Google Analytics to your spreadsheet. You can add Salesforce to your spreadsheet, Zendesk. So you can do different things to your spreadsheet. So but for now, we'll not be dealing with all this, but we'll be dealing with Sheet GPT. So you can come here, tap on it. Then you come to install to tell you things that you might want to know about GPT before you install it. These are its functions. The overview, then additional information about it. Developer is Sheet GPT and it is free of charge with paid features. Permission. So you have to give it permission. Sheet GPT will ask for the permission shown below for all this, and you have to allow it to have access to your Google account. And there are the reviews. So you can go through the reviews. So you can just go to install. So it will ask for permission to have access to your Google account. So you can see this. So you have to allow the access. Allow. And it has been installed. So easy. So they are telling us how we can get to GPT. You can go to add-ons and just enable it from there. You go to extension. You see add-ons. And this is where we went to before. But you can see it has already popped up here, Sheet GPT. So you can just tap on enable Sheet GPT. You can look at the instructions to use it if you are new to it, which you most likely are. Then the support, the update license, debugging, and if you need help. So you can just enable it. Okay. Sheet GPT is enabled, and you can now use the equal to GPT function in any cell to invoke the OpenAI GPT language model. So just like you write in a function, just put equals to GPT and into brackets the prompts that you want to put into it. Okay, we can just try it out. Let's name this. Is a function, remember, so we have to start with equal to, then GPT, then your bracket. They're giving us what we have to put into the function. First, the prompt. You can add the model we want to use. So there are different models of Sheet GPT. We have the 3.5 and so on. So you can just pick the model you want. We have free version and paid version. So you pick the one you want. Then the temperature, max tokens, but it's only the prompt we need for now. So as you can see, it has popped up. We have stretch and hydrate, set instructions. If you remember, this is the prompt we put in. Then stretch and hydrate, set intentions for the day, eat a nutritious breakfast. So this is just you implementing ChatGPT into your Google Sheets to help ease a lot of things. So if you are using this spreadsheet YouTube channel content creation and you want everything to be stored on a spreadsheet, you can just come here, use the Sheet GPT to be able to create prompts to solve that problem for you instead of getting to ChatGPT first, then copying and pasting it here. One thing you need to know about Sheet GPT is that you must always use two apostrophe starting and ending for it to work. You can see it's loading and it has come up. But if you use only one apostrophe, it will show error. So you have to be careful with that. If you found this video really helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can drop in the comment section what you want us to talk about next. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.